Hi there, this is a video to complain about the way I've been treated by Tesla in this project of this wonderful car, and to ask you for help in sharing this video and spreading the message, getting it to people who can get this problem put right, get this fixed. So, what is this problem? The problem is that this car I bought as a salvage car. It had damage on the right rear, and I believed that I could fix it. Before going ahead and getting it fixed, before spending a lot of money on fixing it, I communicated with Tesla North Shore Sydney to confirm that the car had fast charging, because without fast charging, to me, it's a liability, it's not a useful car. I got confirmation that the car had fast charging. I have that confirmation in email. Not fast charging, sorry, supercharging. So I have the confirmation of that, but when I got the car on the road and tried it on a supercharger, it didn't supercharge. So then I got in touch with Tesla here in New Zealand, and they told me that the car needed recertifying, or it needed inspecting before it could be allowed to supercharge again. The car had been to Tesla Australia, Sydney, a couple of times during the rebuild project, and they never once mentioned that it would need any kind of recertification, any inspection. But never mind, it is what it is. I got the car inspected. I had to wait a month for them to have space to inspect it. It got inspected and it passed its inspection. Here, right, I'll try and point the camera in the right place. Here is the results of the inspection of an unsupported vehicle. Region all. Tesla document that. My vehicle, the date that it happened, April, so more or less a month after I got it, first contacted Tesla. So here are the results. You have the check boxes, and here is what happened to my car. It passed the Tesla approved body shop inspection, saying that it must pass an inspection by Tesla Service Centre before it will be redeemed. It also passed the Tesla Service Centre inspection, so here, promise in writing, the unsupported vehicle has passed the Tesla Service Centre inspection. Tesla will redeem the unsupported vehicle and re-enable support. No warranties, that's fair enough. So, I have it in writing that my car will be re-enabled. This is from back 26th of April. It is now the 7th of June. In the interim, I have been fobbed off repeatedly by Tesla New Zealand. They claim they don't know the process, they don't know this, they don't know that. And eventually I had two phone conversations with, what was he called? Let me just get the job title. With Tesla Australia New Zealand Regional Service Manager, and he informed me by telephone that I wouldn't be getting this car resupported, despite having in writing from Tesla Sydney that it would have supercharging, and in writing on a document after their inspection here in New Zealand, Tesla's inspection, that it would be resupported. Now, I'm not an exceptionally rich person. Most of my money is in that car. I don't want to go down the lawyer's route. I don't think I can afford it. I can't afford not to have that car with supercharging. So I'd love for all of you people watching this to let me know what you think about this. Am I in the right here, do you think? Or is there something that I've missed? Please share this. Let's see if we can get this in front of people who can make a change. Maybe even Elon might watch this. Hi Elon, I used to worship you. I'd love your help in this. And try and get this made right. Because this isn't just me. That car, that was going to be on the scrapyard. Now, if we think we can live our Western life without destroying the planet, yes, electric cars are a good step towards it, but disposable electric cars are not the step towards it. So getting that from the scrapyard and making it into a working electric vehicle is 2 tons less rubbish, and it's one less petrol car. So yeah, I believe this is an important precedent to set. So please share this with your networks, tweet Elon, tweet Tesla, let them know about this issue and that maybe it's making you think hard about whether you'll ever buy a Tesla in the future until there's a positive video up here. Alright, thank you for your help. I really want to get this sorted out in a positive way. So yeah, I'll update you when I've got an answer. Thanks.